Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Keith here again. In this video, we are going to do something exciting, and that's download or install a a fresh skeleton of a React application, and we are going to be doing that with Node.js and the NPM package manager. So before we get started, if you like this video or end up liking this video while you're watching, please don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you do so, make sure you click that bell icon and in order to get notifications whenever I come out with new videos. So if you are already a subscriber, I want to thank you very much for your support. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. There's going to be a few things you're going to need. The first thing is you need Git because we're going to be using Git Bash as our terminal, and then you also need Visual Studio Code, and you're going to need Node.js installed. So I have videos for all of that, and I'll go ahead and get some cards popped up, and I'll make sure to put those links in the description below. So the first thing we're going to do is we're on our command line right now, and I'm going to navigate to my development folder. Let's see where I'm at right now.
/c/zamp/highdocs.
Okay, so let's go to CD development. All right, so we're gonna, in this folder, this is where we're gonna make our just little test-YouTube app. So what you first want to do is, if you have Node, you got to make sure you have Node installed. Again, I want to make sure that's clear. So we want to first use NPM to install what's called NPX. Sorry about my mic, I'm trying to get it situated. So we want to install NPX. So to do that, you want to type NPM space install space, and then we want to throw a flag here, which is global. So we do that with dash global lowercase. So it's all lowercase. Can't talk today. So global space, and then now we want to type NPX and press enter. So depending on your system, it may take a minute. Usually hard drives take longer, SSDs are a little faster.
80 space blank C:\use space $.
All right, so let's see. It seems like it's finished.
K-Black 80 space updated one package in 12.133s.
Yep, it sure did.
Space $.
Okay, so now after that command, we want to do and now we're going to actually install our app. So to do that, you want to do NPX space, and then now we're going to type all lowercase and then no spaces in this. It's create dash React. So that's REACT dash app space. Now we want to put the name of our app. We don't want any capital letters, and you don't want to have any spaces, so it's conventional to separate with dashes or underscores. Here we're going to say test dash YouTube dash app and press enter. Now again, this is going to start loading up all the necessary things it needs to
NPX
install.
Installed 67 in 5.508s.
Okay, so let's let that.
80 space blank.
All right, so that's just processing it. Like I said, it's going to install React.js, React DOM.js, all the things that we're going to be talking about in future videos regarding React. So let's see. All right, that's still installing. So just to let you know what we're going to do with this, we're actually going to turn this into a tic-tac-toe. That's the tutorial. It's a tic-tac-toe game. That's the tutorial that you'll find in the React documentation for getting started. So that's going to be pretty cool because it will kind of guide us through some of the fundamentals and things things that you need to know or we need to know regarding React. It's still installing. So while we're waiting, this would be a great time to smash that like button. So that really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so it takes a minute. Let's see where it's going.
Space installing React, React-DOM, and React-scripts with CRA-template. 80
All
space
right, so that's
blank.
installing everything. So React is actually the part of this that lets us build our components and pass state.
Core-JS at February 6,
Oh, let's
12.
see what's happening here.
Blank. Blank.
Let's just get the
Speech
stuff
mode off.
installed. We'll turn the speech off for a second. So like I said, React is just something that gives you you gain access to the React library in order to use what's called JSX and create these components and be able to pass state, and you're writing everything in JavaScript. React DOM is actually what gives you the ability to interact with the DOM, and then it comes with all other sorts of things too. So it is a great tool for front-end web development. Let's see where it's at now. So I didn't want to edit this out. I'm not very good at editing yet, but I figured I'd leave this in. Let's see where.
$.
All right, so I believe we're successful. We should see the happy hacking.
81 space happy hacking bang.
Yep, we sure do. So from here, like I said, all this was just show you how to install this and then how to get it up and running and actually see something you can start working on. And then in the next video, we'll start our tic-tac-toe. So let's CD, then we're going to change directory. So I'm on my terminal, CD space, and then test. Now, it's the only, we'll do test dash YouTube, but we'll just type U and press tab, and it will populate, and we'll press enter.
Mingo 64.
All right, so now we're in the directory, so feel free to explore this and go through and kind of get an idea of what's going on. And then what we're going to do is just get this thing up and running, and then we'll continue explaining in future videos. So what you want to do is type NPM space start.
K-Black at laptop dash game Jim Mingo 64/C speech mode off.
I'm going to turn the speech off and tell you what's going to happen here. It's going to spin up a development server locally, and then it will automatically start that up in your browser, and then it also does a hot reload. That way so you can actually edit your files. As soon as you save them, it automatically updates, and you don't have to press Control-R all the time or F5 to reload your page. So let's turn the screen reader back on.
Speech mode talk.
And let's see where we're at.
Google Chrome.
All right, so it automatically pulls our focus to this window, and it's got the title of React app. Now if I go to the top of the page.
Clickable banner landmark graphic logo.
All right, we're inside of our React app. So now all we have to do is if I down arrow.
src/app.js and save to reload.
So it tells us here, edit src/app.js. We can edit this file and then reload. So let's actually go do that.
Mingo 64:/C/.
Or we can just press save, Control save, and it'll reload itself.
React app dash Google videos row OBS 2 Mingo 64 React app dash Google.
So we'll go to our terminal and we'll open a new tab in our terminal. We'll do Alt space and then W. That's going to open a new terminal in the same directory. Now we can type code space dot, and that's going to open Visual Studio Code, the root directory here. And I'm just going to show you, we can change real quick and see a change, and then we'll end this video. So, all right, so we are inside of Visual Studio Code now. We're going to go to that SRC
Level
folder.
1 saved games collapsed. Searches collapsed. Welcome K-Black Visual.
Oh, you know what it did?
Mingo 64.
It did not open in the right directory.
/user/K-Black.
I didn't think so. Let's navigate CD space and then to the correct directory.
Mingo 6.
And then development. It's test dash YouTube. What's going on here?
Blank. Mingo 64 space $.
So
/c/samp/high docs.
All right, let's get into development.
Mingo 6.
And then
CD.
What was it? Test dash YouTube.
Mingo 64.
And now we want to code dot. It says code.
Visual Studio Code.
Period.
Document blank.
All right, it opens it up in Visual Studio Code.
Complementary line. Node line. SRC collapse.
We'll get into SRC.
Level 2 app.css not so.
It said app.js. We'll get into app.js.
Main landmark.
All right, so now we're going to edit this file.
Import. Import logo from tick dot slash.
So they're importing logos and stuff, nothing we're going to worry about right now.
2 space return left paren. 4 space no intent function app left.
Now they have a function app. This is where we're returning our JSX component.
4 space less division class name,
which is a div tag.
6 space less header class name.
And what we're going to
8 space less
change,
img src less p greater. 10 space edit less code greater src slash.
so the paragraph that told us edit the code, we're going to take that
8 space
out.
less 10 space edit cap e edit less code greater.
And we're just going to say my first edit to my React app. So then we'll say hello world. If I spell it correctly. All right, and then now again, I haven't saved this. Let's Alt Tab.
Mingo 64 React app dash Google Chrome.
Go back to our window.
Graphic logo. Edit link learn React. Edit src slash app.js.
All right, you still hear that it says edit src. Now, if I circle back and Control S, save,
React
Alt Tab, I don't have to press Control R or nothing. Read the current line.
My first edit to my React app dot.
And my first to my, and then, yep. So, okay, so we're going to end the video here. That's how you download and get running your first React app with using Create React App. So, and this was all using NVDA Screen Reader. If you made it to the end, please feel free to smash that like button. That really helps out. And then I will see you in the next video.